This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kapistol Kulai Kurup, the Special Investigation Team, SIT, Nagawa Indore. Hapadeng ke jingwat bertoket isaki sebut hakamuka duma jing syapnya yang raja rakwanshi kakadau syai bak kurim jungu kasonam hakajing sela bak rising kushwa kilamut ban penlet yang jingem raja la raja bak bishal sing chawan wa akash rajput ban anan kurmi kem yolat ban penyap raja hak jingwan kai honeymoon yang raja rakwanshi la penyap akan nok paisingi ar flight trek jemang arjapsan hakamat ke kurim jungu daki langut kat bau raja pat unang penyaj bat batai na Indore raja lo syamat da arli giwaj hakite gi langut ki bla bret di media chungu sipo riat arliang hajan gak syai wai saudong kadai in layo kami kesonam bat kini saungut bat ndalawan ra Shillong bakla flash phang ka playong badon ka pistol ka pisasan lak tengka kicing deng siar bat ki mobile phone laong bakatai ka pistol claim license kadai jog right sing kushwaha laong bak sonam ka sa ka wai ka yeng hadewas naka ha Indore hadin bakla penyap raja yang kepala IY dau Shillong James hau Raj Singh Hashwaban Patch Uttar Pradesh bersyakam 4 akstepsnya kandai dari ujuliau arja option ya ketika pistol la kerup nakawa adin kecing plau Shillong James kumcu ke pisasan pawajar tengka bat ki Pulit kila kamru yu security card balbir akhirwar bat uloken ratu marsing utrai ketika yeng ya gidi langut lawan lam tian bisyara yang kasyari Shillong hak bala pengat polis custody nak bentahan rusngi hak arp ndrek ujuliau arja option bakini langut ki ngat aktik Pulit nak kecing persyang buri ya ki sakhi sebut uba harbot pi kharkungor SPCT uba kli special investigation team hapakran skilat pthai khubor hakaporchan met ulaong bakching toket igini gubriu kan nya chikmat banyo ekching tep ki bakhamria.
There was this bag which was actually disclosed by the accused persons, Raj as well as Sonam. So when we went there and then after accessing those visuals and all, we saw that this bag had already been taken out, and accordingly we sent the dispatcher team there. And then the team, when they reached there, they accessed those visuals, CCTVs and all, and then they found that this person was involved. And then later on we found that the bag was burned, also the same bag. See, the first thing is, like we said, the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences. And in fact right now we are going to investigate or interrogate them and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether because these materials like laptop and all, they said that they have been thrown, but we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they're thrown or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out. See, as per the preliminary interrogation statements, and you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So but these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we're going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous.
So the weapon that you have recovered yesterday, was it also part of this evidence into this murder case?
Yes, because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash. They had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that and then retrieve it.
So whether phone was also burned, second phone of Sonam was also burned along with the bag.
See that because the bag was burned there, and then yesterday we have not got the phone apart from these materials that were recovered yesterday. But then we have sent for FSL those materials, and accordingly once the report comes, we will see what are the compounds that were present in that.
But does it look like phone or?
No, that will forensic report will be able to tell.
But
the naked
phone
eye
is missing.
is difficult. Yeah.
The pistol belongs to who?
See that pistol was claimed by assailants also before that it was there in the bag. So yeah.
So did they have the plan to gun down Raja or to use that as a murder weapon also?
right now that has not been actually revealed, but then that aspect we will be examining.
Whether this arm that you have recovered, whether is it a licensed arm, or if you can
No,
tell us.
we have not got any license in that. We did not.
So it's
seize any
illegal?
license. Yeah, we can say it's illegal. See, like it's been briefed already that there is a aspect, there is a motive of love angle out there also, but at the same time, there are the other materials also that we'll have to we are exploring, and then once we find, then we'll accordingly put up.
So business angle is there very much.
Pardon?
Business angle.
See, they have their own business dealing also, the two accused also. That is being explored, and the bank details and all is being studied and analyzed, and accordingly we'll be able to come to.
So the splinter team of the SIT is still stationed in Indore, or they have all come
No,
back?
they have returned back. See, the main crucial thing is they've recovered this material. These are very important incriminating materials, and
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.